Well, Goa Medical College has reported 13 deaths of COVID-19 patients between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. for 4 hours. In fact, 13 people have died due to dropping oxygen levels. It's clear that no lessons have been learned from the past. Once again, people are dying inside the COVID ward. Officials are saying it's because of logistical issues. Many cops and security guards have arrived, stopping the India Today Aaj Tak team, not allowing us to show the reality. On Tuesday, 26 people had died. On Wednesday, 20 people had died. On Thursday, 15 people died. Today, 13 people have died. The government has appointed the inquiry committee to probe into the oxygen supply and the issues that the Goa Medical College is facing.
Sir, 13 patients have died today, sir. Sir, 13 patients and regularly patients are dying. Sir, small, sir. Sir, how are patients dying? Sir, 13 patients have died today, sir. Sir, 13 patients and regularly patients are dying. Sir, small, sir. Sir, how are patients dying?
All right, Saurav Akhtania is getting us more details on that story. Saurav has been in Goa. Right now, he's in Panaji getting us more on that. Saurav, as far as the Goa Medical College is concerned, the situation there is rather worrisome. Just tell us, how is the administration there getting a handle on the situation?
Well, they have no idea at all. First of all, the High Court is regularly bombarding them that how they are not doing anything. How can the logistic issue could not be resolved after so many days have passed? 26, 20, 15 and today 13 people regularly every day. So many people are continuously dying. They are saying that there is a logistic issue. But how can that is not resolved? There has to be proper logistic system over there. Transport system has to be done. You know, Sneha, till today, the cylinders, the oxygen cylinders are being loaded in the tractor and trolleys and brought into the hospital. So if you can see what is the current health infrastructure in the state of Goa, patients are dying every day. And even today, some time back, when we spoke to the relatives and patients inside the hospital, they clearly says the situation is stable. Till now, the patients are lying on the floors, on the passage, some in the storeroom. We are also getting some horrific visuals once again inside the Goa Medical College Hospital, wherein all the trash has been stored inside the kitchen, and it is in a very dirty manner. All the wastage of the hospital is kept in one particular room. So the situation needs to improve. People just can't die due to lack of oxygen. Now tomorrow there will be a very important hearing in the High Court. Now the Goa government have said that they have formed 3-member committee to investigate the matter. But first they need to improve their logistic and infrastructure in hand. After then only anything can be done. Now when we went inside to show the reality, let me tell you, there are 3 layers of police personnel present over there. They are not allowing us inside. There are patients who are crying. Relatives are saying that there is not even a pillow and a mattress available inside the hospital. That too they have to bring from their home. So such is the situation in the state of Goa. Now we will be traveling to the interiors of the Goa and look out how the situation is in the district level in the Goa, and will show our viewers on India Today the reality in the interiors of the Goa as well.
All right, Saurav, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Saurav Akhtania with that report from Panaji.